My car is super dirty, but I just wanted to make a quick video. So I bought 10 of these. They say they're for the left, right? Bought them off Amazon. I don't know what left they're talking about, because left on everything I've ever seen for a car means driver's side. This is the one that broke. This is the pack of 10 that I got. And if you can see that, the rod clasp is certainly for the passenger side. See if I can focus that better. But more importantly, I spent 45 minutes trying to ram this thing, pushing as hard as I could, you know, killing my fingers, trying to get that part in the door handle hole that it goes in. This, the one that's broken here, I went to Toyota. By the way, here's the actual part number. If you notice, it also says LH for left hand. That means driver's side, right? Okay, so that's the one you need. That thing, I put it in less than 30 seconds. It was a matter of, because it's poor visibility, trying to see inside the door, pushed right in like a dream. And then more importantly, the rod went right in, no problem. Just cake. And I figured this out by watching some videos of some people working on the door lock actuator, and I thought, man, they didn't even mess with this. This took them seconds. So I was thinking, I'm just going to go buy the OEM part. Do yourself a favor. Avoid these third-party ones, because they stink. I mean, the plastic, this part that's supposed to go in the hole, it is either too big or it doesn't collapse right. If you can see that too, that the quality control isn't there either, because see, there's plastic that's in there. This bottom piece doesn't flex at all. The top does. That's why it's so hard to get in. So these might work on your passenger side, but do yourself a favor. A pack of 10 of these with free shipping on Amazon was $8 something. One, and you only need one if you buy the OEM one, because it ain't going to break. This one has lasted almost 20 years. So these things last 20 years of opening, closing the door, or opening the door. So you don't need 10. You'll never need 10 in your lifetime. Just go, and it was only $4 at Lexus. I'll bet it's cheaper at Toyota, but it's the same part if you look at it. It's Toyota and Lexus, so they share it. So it's probably cheaper at Toyota. Anyway, thought I'd make this short video just because out of sheer frustration. I thought about making a video about how to actually fix it, but it's cake. So let me just show you. So everything's in through this hole right here. Didn't have to take the door handle off. Just reached up here, replaced the clasp. My broken one was still on the rod, so you got to put it in the handle first without the rod. Don't put the rod on the clip first. So slide the clip into the handle hole, secure it there, and then just put the rod through the hole and then lower it where this piece right here grabs onto the bar. So you put this piece into the door handle first. It goes in easy as pie, and when you put it in, you'll have this piece rotated up, and then you put the bar in through the hole, just like that, and then you rotate this down onto the bar, and you're done. Piece of cake. I've been driving around the car like this for a week, and that's all it is, piece of cake.